A new barfeed type within the barfeed cycle enables the programming of a rechucking sequence for long part machining. Rechucking involves repositioning the bar in the main spindle to access the portion of a part that extends beyond the Z1 axis limits. To use this feature, first program a pickup operation. Then, define a barfeed cycle with barfeed mode set to rechucking. Specify the barfeed length, which indicates how much the part should move in the main spindle. If the specified barfeed length exceeds the available Z1 stroke, the system will automatically perform multiple rechucking until the final position is reached. With the native support for rechucking, ESPRIT EDGE offers fast and simple part handling of long parts on Swiss CNC machines.